Hey guys, welcome back, and for those that are new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and this video is so different than what I've ever done in all my videos on YouTube, but this girl right here is very, very handy. So I actually redid my whole bathroom, and I did it under $200, which I think came out very good, including the decorations and stuff. And I'm just so happy with the result, and I do want to show you guys step by step on what I did. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit that big red button down below to join this amazing community, and stay tuned, because now after this whole makeover on my bathroom, I will be doing a bedroom makeover. So this room will be changing up, and it will be matching my bathroom, so it looks like a little off suite. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and let's get into it. Okay, so here is my bathroom. This is how it looked before I did my whole transformation. I never really fixed it. I just moved in, left the walls how they were, because I didn't know I can just paint right over it. I thought it was wallpaper, but it wasn't. So yeah, it just looks rusty, crusty, and I was over it. Okay, now that I emptied everything out, I feel like I just moved in again. I'm gonna start spackling these holes. I have some there, some here, and some there. So I'm going to do that first, and while that's drying, I'm just going to put tape all around where I don't want to paint. But yeah, this is step one. Okay, I never spackled, but this was actually pretty good. I think I did a great job. So after I did this, I just put tape all around where I didn't want the white paint to get on. Okay, so I'm just prepping the paint here. I just want to let you guys know I did get my paint on the clearance area of Walmart. I got both cans, each for $10.92, and they're both paint and primer. First, I started with the ceiling. I wanted to apply a fresh coat of white paint so it matches well with the walls. I was over the brown trim, so I decided to paint them all white so they can match the style I was going for in my bathroom. It was finally time to paint my walls. I chose the color bright white. I really wanted that white finish. And I did paint all the corners. My mom showed me that little trick, and it actually worked out a lot better as I didn't have to worry about it with the roller. Day two, this is how the walls look. Definitely needs another coat, but I absolutely love it. I can't wait to see all this finished. But the white itself makes it look so nice. I'm gonna paint that too because it's dried. But yeah, so now I'm gonna do the second coat, make it look nice and crisp, and then we're gonna do the counters. And my cat, of course, being nosy. So all right, let's get into it. I'm so excited. Okay, I just finished the second coat. I think it looks very good. I had to take that down because it was way too close and I couldn't really get the edges. So yeah, so this is how it looks. I actually really love it. I think now with the second paint, it really gave it that pop that it needed. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take these apart, sand the cabinets that are there, and then sand the doors and paint them and get that done. Oh, and I did the door and the frame here just now too. So I think that looks good. Okay, so I actually took that out and painted around. I am not the neatest painter, as you can see, but I am painting that black, so it's who cares? But now I'm gonna take that part that was there and spray paint it silver. So let's go outside and get that done. Okay, so now it's time to redo the cabinets. I took off all the hinges and then I made sure to take off all the doorknobs. Okay, so here I am using my little sander. I've never used anything like this, but I wanted to be professional, so here I am using it for the first time ever. And I actually really liked it. It speed up the process and it really got off that gloss from all of my cabinets and drawers. So it was a lot easier to paint once I sanded down. This is the paint that I use. I would definitely recommend it. It did a great job on all my cabinets, and I did have to pay full price, so it came out to $13 and change per can. Okay, now I just finished painting them. That is how they look. So I'm gonna let them dry. I'm gonna do the drawers now and then sand the cabinet itself and start painting that too. I am gonna add another coat on this just to really give it that smooth touch. So my camera died, but this is how it looks. I painted the mirror and I painted that. I also painted this behind. So I think it looks really good. Okay guys, I put that up. I'm not really loving it too much. The spray paint didn't lay on it as nice as I thought it was gonna be. But I think for right now, once I get all the light bulbs, I'll love it more. This is day 3. I got the cabinets on. I think they look so good. I love the mirror. Today I am going to work on making the counter and that little ledge all white. And yeah, and this is how it looks. I already put my toilet holder, which is silver. I really wanted to change it up, and that's how that looks. I'm gonna put the knobs in after I'm done, and I also put this in too. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna do my countertop, and I'm gonna do this thing right here. I tried to actually remove that because I didn't want it anymore, but when I did, this whole mirror kind of like dropped a little bit, so we're not gonna do that. So I found this on YouTube. This girl did it. It came out beautiful. She put a primer on first, and then she used this to color it, and it looked really, really nice and professional. Like it was already done. It didn't look like ghetto or anything. So I'm gonna give it a try. I will link her video down below if you wanna know more about it. And then I am gonna spray paint my sinks. I really wanna remove this because that looks awful, but I won't be doing that in this video. Or maybe I will. I don't know. Stay tuned for the grand finale. Maybe I will, but as of right now, the last step that I need to do is this and then decorate, and we're all good to go. Finish. I did all the coats, so that's how the countertop looks and the little ledge. I think it looks actually really good. Now I am gonna spray paint the sinks itself, but I'm just gonna let that dry for a little bit. But let me know how that looks, and I'll be back with changing up the sinks, and then we're gonna decorate, and then we're all good to go. Woo woo! Okay guys, so you see all that hard work that I put into it. I don't even recognize the bathroom anymore. So now, the big reveal. the bathroom looks. Like, I am so obsessed with the results. I said I do want to change up my bedroom. It's been like this forever, and I feel like it should match my bathroom. So I might get like a new comforter. I'm gonna paint all around and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are excited to see that, and also let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about the bathroom. If you guys have any questions about anything, by all means ask down below and I am happy to help. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.